Alright, it's time for day 13. Lucky 13. Let's see if we can figure out where number 13 is. It's right here. You guys can't see it because it's over here. Alright, let's rip it open. Oh, we have another person who has apparently visited the ice cream stand of the previous day. So, let's set that aside there. Get this bag open. There we go. And pour out all the stuff. There we go. Missing one. Come on, get out of there. Preferably without overdriving the mic too much. Get out! There we go. Okay, that's the weird knot legs again. Only these ones are really super short, so this must be a kit. Alright, so we're gonna do that, and then we need the head. Yeah. And then this hair, that's something going on there. Wow. Is this Hermione? Then we need to put this, I guess it's supposed to be an ice cream cone at this point. And then we put a little brown bit. And then we put a pink bit. And then we put the balls up there. That is a pretty epic ice cream cone there. Like some sort of Neapolitan kind of thing going. I don't know. Fairly simple for day 13, but they really redeemed themselves in the last couple of days. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, click here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll think is interesting. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to support the other things I do on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow.